All right, ladies and gents, Handyman back again. Just looked a little deeper into the depth on this mower a little bit. Didn't take but another second or two because, like I said, I knew it was associated with the blade. But I'm gonna see if I can show you this. There's no gas in it. Let me, give me 1 second. Let me disconnect these handles and I can show you how I do those as well, or to do them. If you don't know how, this model here, nothing spectacular, just push in, then you should be able to move them like that. So then, as I said, you can take your mower and lift up and lay it back. Uh-oh, a lot further, hang on. Thing caught my finger a little bit, got a little cut, nothing too bad. Okay, that handle wanted to make it spin. I see what happened there. But you look right there, see that gap in between there? That's one of our issues right there. It's not level. If you look back, you can see that blade on the end, how close to the bottom it is on this side versus the other side, which is kind of high. So that's what we're looking at, and we're gonna see if we can get that. Got some ants, sorry about that. See if we can get that fixed up and move on to the next step. So we're gonna tear that loose and see if we can straighten that blade up, make sure it's the right correct one, get a new one on there, and try this thing again. And the man, be back with you guys in a minute. If you missed my other videos, same thing as the rest of them, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And Handyman, see you back in a minute.